Unbelievable camouflaging animals. Welcome to the fascinating world of camouflage in nature. Today, we are going to delve into the world of animals who have mastered the art of disguise. These creatures have the remarkable ability to blend into their surroundings, a talent that is truly unbelievable. Our first stop is the dense rainforests, home to the leaf-tailed gecko. This reptile is a master of deception with a body that imitates a leaf. The edges of its body are irregular and fringed, making it indistinguishable from fallen leaves on the forest floor. We now move to the icy terrains of the Arctic, where the polar bear roams. Covered in white fur, it blends perfectly with the snowy landscape. This camouflage is crucial for its survival, hiding it from predators and disguising it from its prey. Next, picture a stick insect, a creature so adept at camouflaging that it resembles the twigs amongst which it lives. It's not just their form, their slow, jerky movements mimic a twig swaying in the breeze, adding another layer to their disguise. Imagine a grasshopper, but not your everyday variety. The hooded grasshopper's body mimics green leaves, complete with veins. This insect even has spots that resemble patches of sunlight filtering through the canopy, making its disguise incredibly convincing. Now, let's dive into the ocean, where the cuttlefish resides. This marine creature can change its skin color and pattern in seconds to blend with its surroundings, imitating the seafloor's textures and colors. Its camouflage is so effective it's almost invisible. In the world of birds, the common snipe is a camouflaging marvel. Its mottled brown and tan feathers perfectly match the marshy lands it inhabits. When motionless, it becomes almost indistinguishable from the surrounding grasses and reeds. Next on our list is the Arctic hare. Unlike its woodland cousins, this hare has a coat that changes with the seasons. In winter, it's as white as the snow it sits upon, while in the summer, it turns brown to match the tundra's earthy tones. Moving to the desert, we find the horned lizard. Its spiky, sand-colored body makes it nearly invisible on the desert floor. When threatened, it buries itself in the sand, leaving only its spiky back visible, looking like a patch of thorns. Now let's look at the mimic octopus. This aquatic creature takes camouflage to a whole new level. Not only can it change its color and texture, but it can also mimic the shapes and behaviors of other sea creatures to deter predators. We move to another master of disguise, the owl butterfly. With large eye spots on its wings that resemble owl eyes, it scares away potential predators. When its wings are closed, it looks like a tree bark, easily camouflaging itself. The flounder, a flatfish found in oceans worldwide, has a unique way of blending in. It buries itself in the sand and changes its color to match, leaving just its eyes sticking out. This makes the flounder nearly invisible to anyone passing by. The next on our list is the spider-tailed horned viper. This snake has a tail that looks remarkably like a spider, which it uses to lure in its prey. Its sandy color also allows it to blend into its desert habitat, making it a deadly predator. We now come across the snow leopard, an expert at camouflaging. Its smoky gray and yellow-tinged fur is dotted with black rosettes, helping it blend seamlessly into the rocky terrains of Central Asia. It's so good at hiding that it's often referred to as the ghost of the mountains. Last but not least, we have the pygmy seahorse. Barely the size of a fingernail and with a knobby body that mimics the coral it lives in, this tiny creature is one of the ocean's best hiders. Its ability to blend in is so good that it wasn't discovered until its host coral was being examined in a lab. That wraps up our exploration of nature's best camouflagers. These animals remind us of the incredible adaptations that life on Earth has developed over millions of years. Their ability to blend into their environment is a testament to the power of evolution and the never-ending struggle for survival.